We begin with the teaching page showing how we can subtract using Dienes where there's no need to exchange or regroup. We can begin by randomizing the questions and have as many questions as you want. The Dienes block showed the first number. We want to take away 24. So we begin by taking away the tens and then using the white pen take away 4. We are left with 4 tens and 2 units, so entering the answer via the calculator, a tick will appear if the answer is correct. What happens if we take away too many? Press reset and it goes back to the original question. Going on to the teaching page, where we're going to subtract where there's a need for regrouping or exchange, we begin in the same manner. We can randomize the questions as many times as we want. We now have 61 take away 29. Let's begin with taking away the tens, and then we want to take away 9. We use the white pen and now here we only have 2 left, so clearly we need to change that to the grey to show the units. Entering the number via the calculator, it is wrong. There's no tick. So all you have to do is re-enter the number with the calculator and the tick will appear if it's correct. There are worksheets accompanying these teaching pages. The blue button will produce questions where there's no need for exchange or regrouping, the yellow button where there is a need, and of course, as always, the answers.